The students were able to actually get out in the field and undertake some marine science. They actually got to witness how the land connects with the sand dunes, which connects with the beach and the intertidal zone, which then connects out into the marine environment.
Being able to share Aboriginal knowledge with contemporaries, science and connecting the two.
All the little critters that we found in the sand that I didn't know was there. I find doing practical more exciting because I have to visualise things. So yeah, I've learnt a lot.
They're also involved in shorebird and seabird surveys, so it's important for them to understand what kind of birds were there, what seasonal birds might be there. Some weren't there at the time, they knew that some would return later. They're looking at things that they might eat within the sand. They're also able to do a vegetation survey in the sand dunes, so they're looking at what type of plants are on the sand dune, how they helped the sand dunes actually stay there. So those plants are really important for making the sand dunes stable. They learn about what adaptations those plants might need to have to grow and live in such a harsh environment. And after we looked at the coastal area, then we looked at the actual beach. So we were able to undertake some physical measurements like the length of the beach itself from the sand dunes to the water, and look at what the slope of the beach and look at the sand grain size, and all of those things actually tell us what kind of ecology or how many animals would actually live in the sand there.
They've got a better understanding of the role that the marine science, I guess, plays in local community issues and the relevance of things like marine parks to the local community, and it really gives them a chance to engage in it and understand it and form their own opinions.
They actually got out into the environment and witnessed firsthand what was there and do the science with me as a marine biologist and Greg Kerr as a regional ecologist and Katrina Podke as a plant specialist. They're actually able to be out there with us and ask us questions that they needed to on the spot, and there was just a much better way that these kids could learn. They were so much more engaged out in the field.
It's such a spiritual place. You feel a very ancient presence there, and it's something that we'd love to maintain and protect for future generations.